Green plants synthesize their own food. Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. Where do animals get their food from? Carnivore animals kill other animals and eat their flesh or meat. Herbivores eat plants. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Why do we have to eat food? We have to eat food because energy from the food is utilized by us for carrying out their various body functions such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management, and distribution is necessary. Meaning of crop. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat. Can be classified into two types on the basis of season. First is kharif crops and second is rabi crops. Now we will understand the meaning of kharif crop and rabi crops. Number one, kharif crops. The crops that are sown in rainy season are called summer crops or kharif crops. These are sown in June and July and harvested at the end of monsoon season, October to November. Examples of kharif crops are paddy, maize, and cotton. These crops are dependent on the quantity of rainwater as well as its timing. Too much, too little, or rain at the wrong time may waste whole year's efforts of the farmer. In the given picture, you can see the photographs of rice and corn plants which are kharif crops. Number two, rabi crops. The crops that are sown during October or November and harvested in April or May in India are called rabi or winter crops. Examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, etc. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.